be doing an experiment, and it's called Fireworks in a Jar! So the materials that you will need for this experiment is warm water, oil, some sort of neon paint or neon food coloring, and you will need a black light. Okay, first step is to add paint to the oil. Before we put the oil into the water, you guys might have a question. And that question is, what is a black light? So, basically, what a black light is, it's sort of like the lights that we use to see things, but not quite that. The only difference is that it's made of different material, which only emits ultraviolet light, with a little bit of light that we can see, which are the colors violet and indigo. That's why black lights usually appear dark blue or violet, as you can see here. So we are adding a pinch of glitter to make things sparkly and more fun. Then we're gonna mix up the oil and the paint together, like this. Now we're gonna dump this into the water like this. So since the oil is less dense than the water, that's why it's floating up on top like this. But the paint is more dense than the water and the oil, so it sinks to the bottom and it grabs some of the oil. So these neon paints contain phosphorus, which is an element. When UV light hits phosphorus, it starts getting very excited and glow. Some man-made and natural things that have phosphorus in it that glow in the dark are our teeth and our tattoos. Have fun doing this experiment at home. And if you want to learn more about density, you can go back and watch our float and sink video. We wish you all a happy, healthy, safe, and prosperous New Year. And please subscribe, like, and share to our videos and keep watching. Bye!